Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add more sheets to your spreadsheet on the Google Sheets application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then you should select an already existing document, or you can also create a new one by tapping on the plus icon down below and tapping on the new spreadsheet button. Press the button create if you have added your file name, and then press the plus icon down below in the right corner of the screen if you would like to add a new sheet to your page. As you can see, they are called sheet 1 and sheet 2. Tap on it if you would like to delete your sheet, if you would like to duplicate, rename or hide it. If you want to delete, press the button delete and then OK. So now you have deleted your sheet. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.